Hello everyone at bagong video na naman ang bibigyan natin ng reaction or review. So, tong video na 'to ay kay, Ruel naman, tandem nila ni Bossing, etong nangyaring, Christmas or before Christmas sa Eat Bulaga. So, sana samahan niyo ulit ako hanggang sa huli. So, umpisa na natin ulit sa umpisa. Alright, so eto,
It's beginning to look a
si
lot
Jero.
Welcome back to People's Choice, everyone.
So,
And
this
now
video
the
again
host
is,
will go on and serenade
from,
us with Christmas songs
People's
this
Choice
holiday
again.
season, while
Na
another home will
hiniram
surely
natin
make
ulit
everyone laugh.
na para
And
bigyan ng
now,
reaction
here
ng mga
comes what
ginawa
everyone
niya.
has been waiting for, the much anticipated pairing of Boston Vic and Roll Cranium. So let's not waste any more time. Here
Si
they are,
Bibot
ready to give
Natix.
you 1,001
Tuwa
jokes
si
here
Bossing
on
dyan
People's
eh.
Choice.
Bagong Dolby, Panchito, Aronay.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
Panorin na natin.
Take a look at the 5 and 10, just glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of Holland boots and a pistol of shoes is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that will talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Deb. Well, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be
Ang kulit ng mga dabar kasi, no?
on.
Kumbaga, mas supportive.
Oh, it's Christmas. One
Bagay na dyan si Paulo eh.
more.
Dapat ito sila Ruel pati sila Jerome sabayan nila yung kulit ng Dabber Cats para ang gandang tingnan nila sa show.
On the streets, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging hearts. Last night on Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow, where nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. Let's be the ones who guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in
Naturo-turo pa sa Ruel.
Tapos na pala yun? Wala ko meron pa. Gawin ko meron eh. Alas na yun.
Here it is, guys, and here they are, the team up you've all been waiting for, Bossing and Bunso, with a special participation from one of the singing queens, Casey. So here they are, let's enjoy.
Alright.
There could never be a portrait of my
Entrada pa lang ni Ruel, ang ano na no? Ang ganda ng boses kasi buong buo rin eh. Kaya si Bossing.
You will never see a portrait of my love or miracles I'll never see. Soon forgets the Mona Lisa. It would take, I know, a Michelangelo
Yan yung mga ganyang bagay dapat sasabay sila no? Sa kulitan.
Which I know a Michelangelo that paints the sky above to try and paint a portrait of my
Kulin Luna. Yung kantang ano, walang kamatayan ni Bossing no? Alright.
Parang nakakalokohan na. 3 in 1 eh. Parang kulang ba? Bakit tulang tayo? Problema niya na yun.
Loko talaga si Ruel no? Ibang klase magsasagot eh.
Ako. Matt Monroe. Asa si Matt Monroe?
Ayun.
Bossing! Bossing, nandito ako, Bossing!
Saan ka ba?
Ito po, ito po.
O, ayun.
Akala ko nakalimutan niyo na ako, Bossing.
Saan ka nagsusunod?
Yan si Casey.
Antay ko po kayo.
Kami lang ang
Singing queen.
pinagtatrabaho mo rito.
Sorry na po, Bossing.
Ganda rin tong babaeng to eh, no?
Ate, pagod na kami.
Sorry,
Oo,
sorry,
ikaw
sorry.
naman.
Sige po, Bossing.
Ay.
Sabayan niyo ako.
Papahinga muna kami ni Ruel.
Akala ko po tatlo tayo.
Ako basta tatlo tayo. Bahala ka na sa buhay mo.
Sige po, Bossing.
Dito muna tayo.
Eto. Nakakatawa to.
Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you never come around.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified and then I see the look in your eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I get a little bit restless and I dream of something wild. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. And we only be making it right. 'Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we'll never shine all the time. I don't know what to do. I'm always in the dark. We're living in a pocket. Give it all I really need you tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. Once upon a time I was falling in love, but now I'm only falling apart.
Nabitin yung kape namin ha. Napahaba ko pa yun.
Once upon a time there was light in my life, but now there's only love in the dark. Nothing I can say that totally craves. Of the heart, make it simple to last your whole life long.
Singing Queen KZ, Matt Monroe of the Philippines, Roel Carrillo, and Bossing Vic Soto! Bossing, okay na mo, okay na mo.
Okay yan, ang bagong Dolby Panchito Aruray.
Aruray.
And now,
Kung kung napanood nyo dati, kasi yung sila Dolphy, pati si Panchito yata kasama niya nun, yung kinanta rin nila yan sa pelikula, yung Turnaround na yan. Ganyan na ganyan din tema. Pero pati kung sino nakapanood sa inyo, kay Sam, pati kay Wally, yung ganyan nila na ginawa nila sa Itbulaga. Para sa akin, yun yung pinaka-the best kasi medyo nakaka-touch yung tema nila, yung pagkagawa nila. Pero lahat naman pati kay Jerome, pati ito, sabagay hinihintay natin kay Jerome, Roel. Pero nung kay Sam pati kay Wally, ibang klase yung tirada nila doon. Kumbaga ang ganda nung pagkabanat nila doon sa kumbaga sila yung matatanda na parang pinaghandaan nila yung Christmas nito na presentation nila. Tapos inabot sila ng 2099 yata, parang ganon. Tapos sabihin, lumabas sila matanda na. Pero ang ganda, kumbaga na-touch din ako sa ginawa nila. Pagka hanap tayo ng ganong video kung nakagawa sila ng or People Choice nakagawa ng clips na ganon. Kaya diretso na natin. Alright, so again, back again.
let's take a look at Mang Domeng and find out why
Si
Bossing
Domingo
is always so delighted by him. What could be the reason? Let's watch and see why.
Deep and living,
Yun.
I must be on my way.
Tuwan-tuwa si Bossing eh.
Is going to never need your tears. 'Cause I'd be lonely without you, and I need your love to see me through. Sing I'll be missing you. What? You know it's you, babe. Whenever I get weary and had enough, feel like giving up. You know it's you, babe. That it's true. Babe, I love you.
Tuwan-tuwa si Bossing eh.
Babe, I love you. Oh, babe.
Di ba hindi nilalagay sa baby?
Yari kay sa
Si
kay
Bossing yung
Joey.
gumagamit na yun. Pero ayos.
Yun, beep nga.
Sabi nga ni Ryan, pagka bibot, ang bibot,
Bibot Natix.
pagka sinort mo, bib.
Oo.
Hello, Bibot Nartix.
Ayun. Bibot Natix. Diyan pala yung nag-umpisa.
Ako. Mandome.
Pero si Mandoming, kung alam nyo lang, sabi niya nung tinanong siya diyan sa Itbulaga. Sabi niya nasa 45 years na siyang kumakanta. Pati makikita nyo rin to si Mang Doming nasa ibang channel before, parang mga 8 years or 7 years kumakanta na rin siya. Talagang sumasali talaga sila sa kantahan, sa mga ganyang event or ganyang contest. Pero dito lang sila binigyan. Pati si Lucky Robles, tas si Miley, si Gian Dani, matagal na talaga sila sumasali sa mga ganitong contest. Pero dito lang sila binigyan ng talaga ng exposure talaga ng maganda sa Itbulaga. Kaya swerteng-swerte nila. Yun nga lang problema lang sino ba yung si Jin Jordan. Nangyari nun hindi siya pumirma sa kontrata ng Itbulaga kaya hindi na siya lumalabas dito. Siguro during that time marami siyang event kaya hindi siya maka-oo sa Itbulaga. Kasi sabi niya naman gustong-gusto niya. Yun nga lang tsumempo talaga kasi before siya sumali nung nanalo siya diyan sa Itbulaga, si Jin Jordan maraming talagang event katulad ng ginawa niyang concert nila Jerome pati ni Ruel, Lucky Robles, magkakasama sila. Siya yung nag-organize nung ano yun ng concert nun. Ganun ka ano ka sobrang busy or hectic ng schedule ni Jean Jordan. Kaya yun nga lang, as it turns out, hindi na siya nasama sa Itbulaga. Sayang, 'di ba? Pero okay naman kumbaga siguro someday or somehow magkakaroon ng tema pa rin siya diyan kasi alam niyo naman, 'di ba? At pati maganda naman yung mga sistema ni Jean Jordan ngayon. Alright, so balik na naman tayo ulit sa pinapanood natin. Sorry, masyado madaldal.
Ayos ka. A or B? Hindi niya alam kung saan, no?
Thank you for watching People's Choice. We hope you enjoyed all the laughs, surprises, and special moments, especially with Mangdo Meng and the Dalbar Cans.
Tapusin
If
na lang
this
natin
video made
to.
you smile, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe
Ayun,
for more entertaining
don't forget
clips.
to like and
See
share
you
nga
again in
daw.
the next episode.
And
Stay happy.
subscribe to
Thank you.
People Choice. Sa
Smiling.
People Choice, thank you.
Oops,
Maraming
before I
salamat
forget,
sa
special mention to
sa paghiram sa sa video mo. Actually minessage ko siya talaga directly. So hanggang doon na lang tayo ngayon. Kumbaga, sana sa susunod na video or reaction na gagawin natin, sana samahan niyo pa rin ako at sana wag pa kayo magsawa at wag kayo manibago. Sorry talaga hindi na ako makapagawa ng video kasi mahirap po talagang gumawa ng mga ganitong video. Lalo kasi sila Top Up. Sarap sana si Top Up kasi gaganda rin ng mga video. Yun nga lang may reaction na kasi kagad yung sa kanya kaya hindi natin pwedeng lagyan ng reaction. Ito kay People Choice kumbaga pwede pa natin panoorin. Kaya pwede pa natin bigyan ng reaction. Alright? So, sana sa susunod ulit, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Thank you very much and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. So, bye!